1/4 mile. We can't assume the linear relationship that we did at the end of the arch bike path. We were able to do that with the arch bike path because of the symmetry. It was symmetric on both sides, but this path is not like that. And neither is the one on your homework. So 1/4 mile is 1,320 feet, I think. 5,280 divided by. Yeah, okay. So I'm curious if the other calculator eventually, yeah, the other calculator eventually got it. Okay. So what you were going to do as your strategy, okay, and I know that this sounds, since this was taking us so long, this is going to sound like, but again, for the one on your homework, I was not running into this problem. It was pretty immediately, compared to this, pretty immediately calculating things for you. But you rerun your program and you kind of make a guess. You know, so 5,900 is more than a mile, so 1/4 mile is probably pretty far down. So I'm just going to run from 0 to 5, okay? And you basically kind of build this little window, and you keep narrowing down until your arc length is your 1,320 feet. And then this tells you the T that you had to go to from the beginning to get to that point, and then you take that T and you plug it into your formula. So I'm hoping that, you know, with the lower numbers, okay, so if T is only 5, I've only gone 176 feet. That's not far enough. So I'm going to rerun it. And this time I'm going to change it to 10. Let's see where we are at 10. Oh, did I lose my parentheses? Oh, shoot. Second entry. Sorry, you guys.
Cool.
Here, I'll do it with mathematics.
So 0 through 10, you got a number.
Okay, so I'm going to change this now to 10, and I'm going to run it, the program. But I mean, again, you can do the same thing on the calculator, and again, with the one on your homework, my calculator was doing it fairly quickly.
Well, is there a way where you can just set that equal to 1320 and somehow come out with T?
Well, no, that's why I'm telling you how to do it, because there's not a way for you to. I mean, I don't know. There is a solve mode in your you know, I've not tried it on something like this. I've not tried the solve on something like this. But where I've used the solve is when you've had like other programs, like if you go into the finance features, and that's where I use the solve. So I haven't used it like this. So
on the original equation, I think it should be right around 6. 0 to 6 should be the. Because
the original equation?
I plugged in 0 to 3 and I got 660.
You mean the one on your homework or the one?
The one we just did originally.
Oh, the one with the 100 and the 50? Oh, okay.
I plugged in 0 to 3 and that gave me like 660.
Okay, so 0 to 10. This is interesting because I guess the waves get real big. Because that's way short of. So now let's try 20.